Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about an error which is syntax error, invalid syntax. So while you are using pip command to install any Python package, you will see an syntax error, that is invalid syntax error. So I will talk about why you are facing this error and how you can fix this error. Basically, if you are using pip command to install any Python package and you are running this command, you are executing this command on Python interpreter, so you will face an syntax error. So you can see here Python 3.11 64-bit, that means it is Python interpreter. Okay, and you can also see three angular brackets here, that means you are using Python interpreter. So if you run pip command to install any Python package on Python interpreter, so it will show you an error which is syntax error, invalid syntax. So basically this error, basically the cause of this error is that you are trying to run command on Python interpreter. Basically pip is a program, it is a command, so Python interpreter is used to run only Python programs, not any command. But pip is a command, so you have to run pip install command on command prompt or window PowerShell, not on Python interpreter. Basically Python interpreter are not used to run any command. Keep it in mind, listen carefully. Python interpreter is not used to run any command, but pip is a command and we are running pip command on Python interpreter, that's why it is showing invalid syntax error. So Python interpreter are used to run Python commands, okay, Python programs, Python statements. So you have to run this pip command on command prompt or Windows PowerShell. So I will open here Windows CMD, okay, command prompt. So this is command prompt. Here you can run any program, here you can execute any commands. So this is you can see this is a Windows CMD command prompt. So now I can run any command. So pip is a command, so I will run pip install QR code. QR code is a package in Python. You can use any package that you want to install. So I want to, let's say I want to install QR code package, so I will type pip install QR code, and when I press enter, now you can see it will start executing, it will start installing the QR code package, and it has installed successfully. So now I have installed pip package in my system. So now the error has gone. Why? Because pip is a command and we run command on command prompts, not Python interpreter. So if you run this pip command on Python interpreter, you will face syntax error, invalid syntax error. So the solution of this error is you have to run Python, you have to run pip command on Windows command prompt or Windows PowerShell, not in Python interpreter. Okay, so now the QR code package is installed. Now you can use this package in Windows Python interpreter. So that's it. So if you like the video, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and share the video with your friends. If you are new to our YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you, bye bye, and take care.